Up next is this herb salt. I'm using fresh mint leaves and basil. You can use any herbs that you like or have at hand. Add them to a food processor or blender. For the salt, I usually use white sea salt, but today I have pink Himalayan salt, so that's what I'll use. Any salt will do really. Cover and blend until smooth and evenly mixed. The herbs should break down and infuse into the salt completely. You'll see the salt turn into a gorgeous green color and smell amazing. Spread it evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes until the salt is completely dry. This will increase its shelf life and prevent clumping. You can use a dehydrator if you have one, or air dry for 2 to 3 days in the sun. Break down the large pieces into a powder. You can blend it up again if you want your salt to be completely smooth. I like mine a little lumpy like this. Store it in an airtight container. Label the jar and store it in your pantry. This herb salt goes on everything and brings a fresh, vibrant flavor that regular salts just can't match.